Hellcat. One, two, three, come on.
Come on, come on. Come on, come on.
Andito na naman po tayo at magluluto po tayo ng bechamel. Macaroni bechamel. At ang ingredients na unahin po natin, the first we will take ingredients is the ingredients for the sauce of bechamel, okay? We have those ingredients. We have black pepper, salt, and we have fresh milk. We have white flour, and we have egg, and we have this butter almarai, okay, and we will make it sauce. Now this also the ingredients for the beef, okay, because it will separate the sauce, okay, ingredients for sauce and ingredients for the beef, okay. And we have of course this macaroni. We will use also this in macaroni, okay, but separate, okay. And we have these ingredients for beef, of course. First is ground beef, okay, and we have this samna or this butter. This I'm using for frying, okay. And we have ground black pepper, and we have this tomato spaghetti sauce, okay. Spaghetti sauce, this one I use it. This is from Philippines. I bought in a Philippine grocery, okay. And we have also this onion, salt of course, and we have cumin, and we have garlic. So those are the ingredients for this beef, okay. And we will continue to cook it. First we will cook first the beef, and followed by the sauce, and we will put it in the oven. So just stand by and follow us in our video. First, of course, we will cook first the noodles, okay. The water is boiling. I add the salt and the oil for this one, so that the noodles or the macaroni noodles will not sticky. It will separate one by one. So now we will put now the noodles, okay. This one I will put on, okay, and we will let it to cook. Now the macaroni boiled already or cooked already, so we will drain it here, okay. We will put it here. Drain it here. This one, okay. And here we will put of course water. Second, we will cook the beef, okay. Here is the pan, and we will put butter. Is 1 tablespoon, or you can use also cooking oil, okay, but for me I will use this one. And we will put now the garlic, garlic. Okay, and we will add the onion. We'll mix it. Now we'll add now the ground beef. Cook it until coming little brown. Now, as you can see, the beef now will change the color. Okay, so we will put down the tomato sauce. This one. We will add it the tomato sauce. Then we will stir it. We'll mix it together. We need to remove the little water for the beef. This one. And we will put now the cumin, and we will add salt. Depends upon your taste, you will put the salt. Okay, and we will add ground black pepper. And we will mix it again. We'll cook now the third. We will cook the sauce of the macaroni bechamel. Okay. We will put this butter. First, we'll put the butter. Okay. And we'll add the flour. We'll add the flour. Stir it. Okay, we will add now the fresh milk. Little. Stir it. Put again. You will stir it until it will become little sticky. And remove the big one. We will cook it with low fire. Okay, we will add again the milk. Not enough. So we need to put this 1 egg. Okay, we will crack it. And we will mix it here, just like this, okay? And we will stir it. As you can see, we have this one now. Here we will cook, we will put in the oven, okay? We will bake here in the oven, okay? And I put this one, as you can see, the butter, I spread it all here, okay? And we will put little sauce, okay? And we will spread it here. Here. Okay, and we will put now the half of the macaroni noodles. Then we will spread it. And then we put it already the half of the macaroni noodles, and then we will put the half also of the beef that we cooked a while ago. Okay. And we will spread it all. We need to spread it all in the side. We will make it 2 layers. And we will put the little put here. Okay, and we will add now the half of the sauce. Slowly spread all the noodles, the sauce. And now the half, this one, okay, we'll mix it little sauce here, in here, okay, and we will mix it together. Wait, I will use this spoon, mix it together. Now mix it together all. We will pour now again here. Now we spread it already again, the second layer of the noodles, and we will spread it well. And then we will put now again the half of the beef that we cooked it a while ago. And spread it again. Spread it again well. Now we'll put now the last, we will toppings now the mozzarella. This one. all this mozzarella. I put all the 1 pack of mozzarella, and then we will spread it well again. Now the time to bake in the oven. We will bake it the macaroni bechamel within 20 to 30 minutes. Okay. Wait. Harvesting the sauce. Spread it well. Now the macaroni bechamel now is on the oven. Okay, we will cook it about 20 to 30 minutes. So we will wait it to cook. Stand by again. Finish already, done already our macaroni bechamel, and this is the outcome. We cook about or around 30 minutes. Okay, and we will cut it. We will try to cut. See, delicious. Smell. I can smell now the bechamel. Okay. We will try to cut. Because it's still hot, so we cannot cut well. The cutting is separate.
Hey!
You can see this is the bechamel.